हॉस्पिसिओ भायर डीजी सेट घालून डायलिसीस सुरू. विभागाक उजो लागलो तरी डायलिसीस मशिनरी ठीकठाक आसा म्हूण इंचार्ज सांगता. पुलिसांची खंय डायलिसीसाक हरकत. सरकार वा कोणेय डायलिसीस करू नाका म्हूण लेखी दिल्यार सुप्रीम कोर्टान वचपाची ताची तयारी. बिल्डिंग अनसेफ म्हणून ओडूंक तयार जाल्ल्या आरोग्य मंत्र्याक दोतोराचे अप्रत्यक्ष आव्हान.
We started the dialysis yesterday with the help of the patient attenders who arranged a DG set to give the electricity to the dialysis center. The patient's relatives have cleaned up the corridors and my dialysis center had no any casualty in the fire. All my machines, 23 machines are safe. There is no any unsafe material in the dialysis unit. We started the dialysis yesterday. We did 15 patients dialysis yesterday with help of the DG set arranged by the patients and relatives. Today also we started in the morning. The dialysis is going on smoothly. Patients are happy with the services. Today the police is pressurizing us to stop the dialysis, saying they're in the investigation of the dialysis fire which happened. They want to destroy this because this is evidence, right? Despite Supreme Court said not to disturb, they have been disturbing in all possible ways. Cut off the electricity, send the cops to stop it. All nonsense they are doing.
फाटल्या शुक्रारा हॉस्पिसिओच्या डायलिसीस विभागाक उजो लागिल्लो. बरेच लुकसाण जाल्ले. उपरांत थंय इन्स्पेक्शनाक आरोग्य मंत्री पावलो. 2013 खंय ही बिल्डिंग खाली करूंक सांगिल्ली. ती अनसेफ जाल्ल्यान वोडूंक जाय म्हूण विश्वजीत उलयल्लो.
2013 ताका वेकेट कर म्हणून सांगलेलें. तो काय वेकेट करपाचे मुडान ना. पण आमी आतां ते कितें करपाचें बिकॉज वी कॅनॉट पुट इट ऑन नाव. दॅट इज टोटली गॉन. वी विल सील दॅट. वी हॅव टू सील इट. वी हॅव टू फाइंड द लिगॅलिटीज ऑन हाऊ टू डू इट. सो लीगल ओपिनियन घेवन कितें करपाचें.
In 13 you were told to.
There was a letter issued to him.
Any alternate place you want to.
There is no question of alternate place at that time. It was told to vacate. The structure is outlived. It has to be demolished.
After that, parapet had come.
No,
was second and third was from 20.
Now you just see, medical superintendent has shifted her own office here. So this is in a very, it's a risk to use that building.
दोतोर व्यंकटेशाचे आरोग्य मंत्र्याक अप्रत्यक्ष आव्हान. डायलिसीस विभागाचो हो मुखेली सांगता फुडली 30 वर्सां तरी बिल्डिंगेक कसलोच धोको ना. बिल्डिंग खंय फक्त 20 वर्सां आदली.
This building is just constructed 20 years back. Can you expect such a building worth 50 crore rupees can collapse in 20 years? It will never collapse. They have been telling this for 10 years. The building is going to collapse. The building will never collapse for another 30 years.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, प्रुडंट.
जोकीचो पूत युरी कुंकळे फॉवर्डाची भाषा करता. चांद्रा स्टेट हायवेचो प्लान रद्द करचो म्हूण पूत आनी बापूय कुंकळे पंचायतीच्या सरपंचाक घेवन टीसीपी मंत्री गोवा फॉवर्डाचो मुखेली विजयाक मेळ्ळे. येता त्या टीसीपी बसकेन हो स्टेट हायवे रिजनल प्लानांतल्यान डिनोटिफाय करपाचेर चर्चा करता म्हूण विजयान चांदरकारांक सांगला.
Being associated with him for so many years, I have to also take a step forward in the interest of the people. So soon I will announce my plans and definitely I will have to take a step forward and pretty soon I will announce my plans.
The heritage capital of India Madhya is the world famous in a highway with her. ती डायवर्ट करपाक आमी आज सगळो चांदूरचो लोक हिंग येयलो आहा. जे आमचो आमदार आहा तो इंट्रस्ट घेयना कांय. इंट्रस्ट फकत आपणा पोटा चोयता.
अशें गांवांत तुज्यान मदीं हायवे पास करून सगळी हेरिटेज काबार करूंक जायना. हांवें रिपिटेडली हो स्टँड घेतिल्लो आहा. मुख्यमंत्र्याचोय बी ओपिनियन तशेंच आहा. आतां गरज पडली जाल्यार रिजनल प्लॅनान तो रस्तोच काडून उडोवप हें जर करपाक जाय आनी आज जेन्ना आदलो आमदार आनीक स्थानीक सरपंच आमचे मनान एक रिप्रेजेंटेशन घेवन आयिल्ले आहा. आमी नेक्स्ट टावन कंट्री प्लॅनिंग बोर्ड मिटिंगाक हो एक सेपरेट एजेंडा आयटमूच स्पेशल घेवन we will see that this road is denotified in the regional plan. We will see to it that Chandor is brought back into the focus and see to it that it is promoted so that it goes forward. चांदरच्या लोकांनी जर जोकी फुडें येवपाचो एक जे डिसिजन तांणी घेतला हें डिसिजन इज अ करेक्ट डिसिजन एज फार एज डेव्हलपमेंट इज कन्सर्न and I am sure that the people will benefit.
घेऊया एक कमर्शियल ब्रेक.